Hey guys, welcome back. Today we look at this Braun portable folding LED work light. It's got 175 lumens. It's got a 20 lumen flashlight. Its beam distance is 60 feet, and it goes between 15 hours running time. It includes 2 AA batteries. So I don't know if you've seen other videos. I don't like battery AA AAA battery powered flashlights, just because you don't know when the battery once it's dead, or you guys don't have any batteries. Even though it is included, sometimes your batteries die for not using it. They corrode in there. So, but it was cheap for what it is. It was cheap. It was $5 at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has got really good tools or really cheap tools. So you know, you get what you pay for. If you want to go cheap, you get one of these. So let's open this guy up. So there's the flashlight. So it's got different modes. So we got the full light right there from the side, and now we got the light from the side. So it's, you know, the light from here is not the greatest. I would prefer this light. So when you're searching for something, this would be the better light to have. And so it does have a stand, somewhat of a stand. I guess you have it like this. So that would be the best way to use it. So it's nice. I mean, like I said, for under just $5, it is nice. So it's got a magnet here and a magnet there, and also a magnet right here. So when you put it against the wall, and if you're working on a car, that's pretty good. Here are the AA batteries that it comes with. I'm going to change it to Duracell Energizer, and it also has a hook right here to hang it on your car or anywhere that you're at, where you're either hiking or camping and you need a flashlight. The hook's right there. It does, like I said, stand like this or the other way around. There you go. In a way, you can't go wrong with you know, under $5 lamp, flashlight, whatever you want to call this. But just beware, it is plastic. The lens here is not the greatest, but it is an LED flashlight, and for the price, it's pretty good. So check them out at Harbor Freight. You know, and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.